morning. Welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harper. You can find me at all those places. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, which is where you're probably watching this. Boom! This is the January 2019 Target Beauty Box. The theme, as you can see there, is Hello Flawless Beauty Finds. Shoo. If you're anything like us, you've tried and tested just about every beauty product on the market to find the essentials you just can't live without. We're talking eyeliner that promises to give you the perfect wing and makeup remover that actually sloughs away the excess residue. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that we know we can always rely on, and you can too. So, there we go. Hashtag Target Beauty. And I do love a lot of these products, and there's one here I'm really excited to try. So yay, January Target Beauty Box. Hello, Flawless Beauty. I love that everything is on the sheet. Now the first thing is what I really want to try. It is the Love Planet and Beauty aluminum free 24-hour odor protection, argan oil and lavender relaxing deodorant. Yes, the last thing you want when you're stressing is to be stressed and sweating and stress. So, oh my gosh, it's cool, all these yeses. Yes, 24-hour odor protection. Yes, 24-hour long-lasting fragrance. Yes, ethically sourced lavender. Yes, with plant-based deodorizers. Yes, vegan, not that I care. Yes, not tested on animals. Pretty cool. No aluminum. Thank you. No alcohol. No parabens. Let's twist it up and find out what's going on here. Ugh, I hate these little things. Oh my God, it's like a lavender feel. Like I feel relaxed already. Yes, now I'm high on deodorant, but it smells so good. Like I want to put it on right now. Yes, please, thank you. Method body wash, Pure Peace. Oh, it's like de-stressful stuff too, with peony, rose water, and pink sea salt. Okay, now, I've also heard them called pineys. Anyway, growing up at my house in Ohio, our whole front yard was nothing but peonies. Just like 4 rows of like 5 of them. And they'd get all big in like May. And the cat would sleep in them, and yeah, and he would come in. I had an outdoor cat, indoor, outdoor. He would come in and he'd have like all the little shedded things, and you'd be like, you've been sleeping in the flowers again. And then at the end of the season, you have to mow them down. So of course my dad would have to go through and make sure the cat wasn't sleeping before he mowed them down so that he wouldn't mow the cat. So that's my memory. But I love them, and yeah, it's one of my memories of childhood is that smell. Then we have Up and Up Premium Cotton Rounds. I buy these things by the like big giant 300 packs. I love these things. They are great for eye makeup remover. They are great for nail polish remover. They're great for everything. So the premium ones, I usually get the basic, but the premium ones have like a smooth side, and then they have an embossed side. So, love these. They're great for everything. Then we have Maybelline Eye Studio Master Precise All Day Liner. Look at that. With a little fine point. Okay. It's not going to be perfect. But there we go. I lined a little bit. It's hard to do on a camera. Then we have Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. I like to mix a little bit of skin oil with my lotion and then put it on my body. Just a little life hack there. Then we have the Schmidt's Naturals Travel Size Toothpaste with Activated Charcoal, which is awesome because I'm going on vacay tomorrow, so I needed some travel toothpaste. Good thing I didn't buy any because now I have some. Now here's what's kind of gross about Activated Charcoal toothpaste is when you brush your teeth teeth turn black. And then when you spit, it's a bitch of blackness in your sink. I'm just warning you, if you ever do Activated Charcoal toothpaste, that's the reality of the situation. But your teeth get really clean and white. Then finally, I was out of this too. Micellar cleansing water, which goes great with the pads. Put it on there, clean your face. I do it after I cleanse so that I'm double cleansing my face. Little life hack there as well. Like, wash your face with cleanser, then take this stuff and get the excess off. Boom. You will have perfectly clean, glowing skin. Stay beautiful, and I will see you next time.